Do you ever go to the liquor store and you're shopping for a bottle of tequila and one is $10 and one is $50 and you're just like, what am I paying that extra $40 for?
Today we're gonna be conducting a blind taste test between cheap liquor brands versus expensive liquor brands to see if we can tell the difference and to see if it's worth your extra cash.
So one of these vodkas comes from a $50 bottle of vodka and the other one comes from a $10 bottle of vodka. Me and vodka don't get along.
I'm actually scared for you because girl, I'm dangerous on vodka.
Same, we might fight by the end of this.
Let's smell and taste this warm vodka.
Oh.
You ready? So we're gonna be tasting A first.
It just woke me up.
It's like rubbing alcohol. Okay, let's taste this one and smell it. It already smells better to me.
Yeah, that one's better for sure. Let me taste that A vodka one more time. Oh, the smell.
Let me smell them.
You can literally smell it like from a mile away.
Ugh. Yeah, this is definitely the more expensive brand. I already know, literally just by smelling it, this is more expensive. I'm gonna go with B. It's worth the extra cash to get that good vodka, okay? So go buy that good vodka. Because the other one tastes like actual rubbing alcohol.
It's burning my eyes right now.
This round we're gonna be tasting rum. One is $9 and the other is $50.
Let's go. This tastes like oh my God. It doesn't even taste like rum. If somebody made a mojito with this, it's not a mojito.
It's a trashito.
Trashito.
Okay, yeah, this smells like 1,000 times better.
This just smells like,
Oh yeah.
This tastes like rum. Like, the definition of rum should have this rum in the dictionary.
I can sip that.
Pure bliss, dirty garbage water.
Go with the good brand on this rum. Worth your coins.
Worth your coins, guys. We have some gin. The cheap brand is $9, while the expensive brand is $39.
I don't really taste the botanicals.
Oh, it tastes better than it smells.
Yeah.
Smells better. Does it?
I don't know.
It just smells stronger.
I actually think it smells harsher.
Yeah.
No. I'm gonna go with A.
Yeah, A.
I didn't like that. I didn't like that at all.
Oh, I can't tell. I'm gonna go with B.
I got the expansive taste, okay. I
thought that I was a fan of this gin, but honestly, like right now, I like this one better. It was really
it was hard. Yeah,
it was hard to decide. Would I spend that much more for gin? Maybe I'd buy something in the middle.
So now we're gonna be tasting tequila. One is $13 and the other is $43. I think we got this because you know we drink tequila like every day.
She drinks tequila every day. She alcoholic.
Maybe not every day, but for job purposes, you know, thirsty bartenders. I gotta live up to the name. A.
Oh Lord, help me.
Okay.
Hold on, I'm gonna smell the other one.
Yeah.
Not as bad. I feel like it's not as bad. Oh no. That one tastes like throw up. Or smells like throw up.
No.
That one smells like throw up.
Hold on. Let's taste it. Ready? Taste it.
I'm like gonna gag.
Oh my God, that's so gross. It tastes like throw up.
I told you.
I'm not joking.
I could sip this one.
This one I can sip, yeah. Smoother and it smells better. This one, disgusting. Like you cannot drink this.
Don Julio.
Wait, we're not supposed to be saying brands.
Oh, my bad.
Well,
Don Julio, sponsor us.
So basically, moral of the story is spend that money on that good spirit, okay? Because it's not worth it. It's gross. It's really gross. Spend that cash.
Spend that cash.
Oh.
Spend that cash. That tastes disgusting. Dirty garbage water. Poison.
Disgusting.
Oh, no. That one tastes like throw up. Dog. I should stop cursing. That tastes disgusting.